How to install extensions in Chrome without a Google account? I am trying to install a free extension in Google Chrome, but whenever I click Add to Chrome, I am asked to sign into a Google account. This has never happened before, and I do not want to use an account just to install an extension. This problem is occurring for all extensions. How can I install extensions without signing in?
You now seem to need sign into a Google account to install any extension/add-ons from Chrome Web Store. But you can still install an extension without logging into a Google account by doing the following. Find the IT for the extension you want to install. You can see it in the URL on Chrome Web Store. For example, AdBlock Plus extension has an URL like. The ID we want is the long string of random characters like CFH Dogeburg Kulp Dave Delif in the URL above. Download the extension package, a.crx, file. You can do this by using this URL with the NLT, ID and GT, part replaced by the ID from above. For the AdBlock Plus.crx, the URL would be. You will get a warning about that extensions cannot be added from this site, but you can ignore that. The .crx will be downloaded anyway. Go to your extensions page in Google Chrome. You can find it in the Tools and GT Extensions menu or by using the following URL. Drag and drop the downloaded extension .crx file you just downloaded into this window to install it. And you're done. You could also use helpers like Chrome Extension Downloader to download the .crx file.
Summing up information collected in the comments on the question itself. For ungoogled Chromium, this is how it worked out for me, steps 1 to 3 by Evolve. One-time preparations. Visit from the address bar, Chrome column//flags. Search extensions. Set extensions menu access control to enable. Clear the search, then set Chrome column//flags/ extension mime request handling, to always prompt for install. Install process, without login. Search for the extension you want to install, see this answer for details. Copy its ID, for example km for AdBlock origin. Paste it to the text input at crxviewer.com and choose to download as extension. Once the download is completed, you should see a pop-up prompting you to install or save. Simply hit install, and you should be done. Extensions will show up as not from Chrome Web Store in Chrome column//extensions/ and. To my experience, they will not update automatically. You will have to repeat steps 2 to 4 of the install process to do that manually. If the above for some reason should not work out, you can still download from crxviewer as zip, unzip to an empty directory, enable developer mode in Chrome column//extensions/ and load the extension as unpacked. That's how I started, so it might be needed to have developer mode enabled as well. More hints can for example be found here. I didn't install this extension as I didn't want direct ties to Google. If you don't care about that, Installing the Chromium Web Store extension might make the process much easier for you if you're on Chromium.
Here is the announcement about locking installation of Chrome extensions so that they can only be installed via the Chrome Store, this URL. They also say, what if I want to run non-web store extensions? Advanced users can continue to use our dev and AMP canary channels to run any extension. Please note that these channels are updated very regularly, and may contain features and bug fixes that are actively being developed. The easiest way around is to just not use the Chrome Web Store, or just don't use Chrome. Chrome is completely useless for me if I can't install extensions. I will not create a Google account just so I can download from the Chrome Store. This looks much more like forcing millions of Chrome users to create Google accounts than actually do anything about security.
If you want support to the admin, you consider that